Welcome to another video. This is Food and Life with JT. Today I am cooking saltfish and Cho Cho, Chayote, whatever you call it. This is the fruit I am cooking with some saltfish. So Cho Cho is a very stainy fruit. So I am peeling the Cho Cho now, and while I am peeling, I am washing it under the pipe so the stain will not stick to my hands. I might have a little stain residue, but not much. While I'm washing, while I'm peeling, I am washing. After I'm finished peeling the chocho, I'm going to remove the little thing inside. It's look like a seed. Maybe it's a seed. I am not sure, but I normally cut it out. Then I will dice the chocho. So this is the process of dicing the chocho. After dicing, I will move on to cutting up my season, my garlic, onions, green onions, scallion, and tomatoes. I am using the same plate that I cut the chochos in. I am using the same plate to cut the vegetables in, and I'm going to chop these vegetables fine, or these seasoning fine. But did you know that Cho Cho or coyote squash is rich in fiber and antioxidant, which helps to manage cholesterol level and lower blood pressure level? As a result, it helps to boost heart health. It is also a fruit that is low in carbs that helps to stabilize blood sugar level and support diabetes management. It is also a good source for weight loss management since it is low in calories and fat, yet high in fiber and water, promoting a feeling of fullness all the time. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C that helps to fight infections and provide antioxidant protection, thus helps the immune system by strengthening it. It is also good for digestion or aid with the digestive system because of its high soluble fiber, which encourages good gut bacteria and aid in regular health digestion. It's also good for the skin, the health of the skin. The vitamin C and the antioxidant contribute to collagen production and decreasing visible signs of aging. Now it is time to start cooking the chocha and saltfish. First, I put on a saucepan and add some oil to saute the seasoning and the saltfish along with the coyote or chocho. But here's a fun fact, or two fun facts. Did you know that chocho can be eaten raw? Yes, it is often used in salads since it has a mild taste like a cucumber or as a cucumber. Another fun fact, that stain that I described earlier on that will catch your hands if you does not wash regularly or use a gloves. Did you know that stain, or some people call it that sap, when it catches your finger or your hand, that part, especially when it catches your finger, that part that it catches feels numb. So it's like it actually works as a numbing cream or numbing liquid. Did you? I bet you didn't know that. And here's another health benefit of coyote or chocho. It is also good for pregnancy support. It contains folate, which is essential for fetal development and preventing neural tube defects. And someone may ask, what is a neural defect? It is a serious birth defect occurring when the embryonic neural tube fails to close completely during the first month of pregnancy, which may affect or will affect the developing brain or spine of that fetus. You can actually do your research so you can understand more about it. Who would believe this little fruit or vegetable would have this much health benefits for the body, even for a fetus? Can you believe it? God is good. Now I am adding the Cho Cho to the saltfish and seasoning. Now I'm gonna add my powder seasoning. I'm gonna add black pepper, cayenne pepper, not much, just a little bit, and the pepper flakes, all purpose seasoning, and water. So this can cook and be tasty. Now I am adding the water. The water will help to cook and make the Cho Cho soft. I do not like to cook my Cho Cho that soft, so I won't add a lot of water and I won't cook it for long. Then I will add all the season that I have named before. You can add the season of your choice that you like.